Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Degen Hour. Apologies for being a tidbit late. Tidbit late. Just a smidge, just a tiny, just a skosh. Ever heard of that word? Skosh. Just a skosh late. Oh, oh my gosh. And exhausted. Like you do. Like you do. Let's see. So, we are going to vibe code our way, vibe trade our way into Valhalla. All right. Before we do that, let's get the market sentiment. Let's get the market data for today to see exactly what we are dealing with. I think that is fair. All right. I got absolutely wreckamundo yesterday. So we're going to have to come up with a new strategy. It was my fault. I mean, it was 30 minutes. I was live. I was purposely being funny slash silly slash silly, being silly. Oh, God. Nice. So we got ourselves wrecked yesterday after we decided that 500x was an awesome choice in the hyper volatile moment. So, oops, trying to get the kiddo here. There you go. All right. What I wanted to share is real quick. Maybe we could walk through the whole thing, but let's do some news first. Then we'll get into the remainder of this. News first. News first. News first. Catch up on what Super Grok is saying. This gets you all caught up real fast. So you get a little news for the day, then you move on to some trading. Just getting your fill. Equities AI memory chip fueling records. Yeah. If you haven't seen, Micron has been absolutely killing it. S&P 500, Nasdaq hitting fresh all-time highs. It says Russell 2000 is actually showing strength. Broader sentiment is positive, but selective. Energy and staples lag on lower oil. Momentum in semis, so like semiconductors, AI, Micron related suppliers could continue intraday, which watch for profit taking if geopolitical headlines shift. So commodities and oil. So oil is down sharply. How about sharply? Let's see. Where's oil at? 89. Holy hell. Okay. Recent U.S. defensive strikes on Iranian targets. Iranian retaliation threats create a shaky ceasefire backdrop. Yeah, I'd say so. So FX, so forex trading, says it's pretty stable, pretty kind of just chillaxing. So really nothing crazy on the timeline, even though that sounds nuts with the Iran thing, like or Iran thing on the backdrop. But it's like the longer it goes, uh, the less people really care. Let's see. And then here is the heat map for from the Leviathan charts. So as we normally do, we can kick off. For the little bit of music and some Leviathan charts to figure out where those liquidation lines are. The liquidation lines are essentially where people are opening up their trades or where their liquidations are for opening up their trades. Not a lot of red. Not a lot of red on sold, though. It's in this perfect band, which almost looks textbook market makery. So I'm going to have to say there is some shenaniganery going on here. It looks a little market makery. You know what I mean? Everything has these nice donut bands around it besides Sui. Even Bitcoin does. So with that, hype is actually down to 60 now. So it decided to retrace and absolutely crush those longs. So it got up pretty high. If you saw that liquidation heat map from the other day, it cut through a ton of those shorts that were opening up. I'm sure that $1 million guy's probably pretty happy at the moment. And looks like BNB. Looks like we still really have some room to go down, though. If they're not gonna, maybe they capture all these, maybe they don't. I don't know. Seems like they might capture those though, or you would think they'd want to. They're already here. All right, but since you guys watch that for 1 second while we top up. There we go. As you do, I'm topping up the other wallet if you're wondering what I'm doing. Just trying to get everything situated so that I can get trading. Nice. All right. So here we go. We're back at $10. We're back again. I blew it up yesterday. Dang it. May or may not have been my fault. It's totally my fault. It's 100% my fault. Just being a dummy. Okay. Now we're on. Share the screen. There we go. Like you do. Like you do. Oh, you know what? I think I could just do that on Claude, right? We're going to have Claude help us today. Mm-hmm. There we go. And we'll pull up the MACD. Then what we do is take screenshots of the lower time frames. And we do the higher time frames too. But we want to make sure that we are giving Claude as much as we can. Ooh. All right. So I've got I really don't know like what to say per se, but here's my little prompt here. It's probably retarded. More than likely it is. But all I was trying to do is be like, hey, we're doing some serious leverage here. What would be your entry and what would be your leverage? So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what he says. I'm gonna have to come up with some like really decent prompts. I was just on the fly. It's what I was thinking. Like I say, probably dumb. It is what it is. We'll see. Okay, oopsie poopsie. Oopsie poopsie. Let's see. Where did it go? Let me do a quick check. So it says, actually, the EV play is, the highest EV play is patience. Either short into the resistance or wait for an $80 sweep to long. I would not run high leverage on this setup. I'll explain why below. Market structure and key levels. No way. No way. This guy's crazy good. Look at my trading buddy, my trading agent. He's a freaking expert. Sorry about that. Summertime, I have a little tiny one that keeps distracting me. She's very, very, very tiny. So apologies. Summertime mean the chitlin are out of school. All right. This is really cool. Let's see. Macro, it says price 71% of all-time high, sitting at a monthly low of So 78 is the range, 96 is the high. The February 5th capitulation candle, the low was 77.49, anchors the bottom. Interesting. So sharp flush. Yeah, it was. I mean, if you're looking at the more, it's getting back up though. Let's see. See, it still takes caution, which is good. I'm not totally not being like, oh, this thing's too cautious. I'm saying this is pretty good. Resistance. Interesting. Resistance cluster right here at the 84.55, 84.66. Right there. Interesting. Bearish on 4 hour, 15 minutes, 1 day histogram turning slightly green. 1 minute only micro pattern. 4 hour showing a descending channel. Trading plan. I'm pretty sure my charts are frozen. Let's see. All right, back to ooh, really did shoot up. It's because it had such a large pullback in the RSI in the 1 minute. So we're just gonna trade some RSI, man. Probably not anything too crazy. $50X, not too crazy. What's going on with the charts right now? Are we having issues? We are. V2 looks like it's having. Oh no. So 15 minutes. So it's the 1 minute chart. Is this also confluent with... Yeah, maybe. Soul seemed to recover the best. So actually, not even hype still going down. Interesting. Ethereum and Soul seem to have bounced back more aggressively. All right. So definitely Soul. Soul decided that 82.86 was its jam. Soul decided, I don't give a shit. Oh, wow. So it says FTX estate still distributing 16 to 17 million sold monthly. Persistent supply overhang into the 80s. I didn't know that. So there's that persistent monthly sell. I had no idea. Kevin Warsh now, Fed chair, long-term tailwind, not a near-term catalyst. No imminent high impact event in the next 24 hours. So no crazy catalyst. We are on the Degen though. I am tempted to blow this up too. All right, we got to be serious. We got the next 5 minutes. The 1 minute is it working now? Oh, there you go. That's what happens when they do live updates. You get a little hectic. Oh my gosh, RSI is... Yeah, I'm at a 50x short. We'll see if this was a mistake. It looks like I could have just caught the top of that wave just from my eyeball. That has nothing to do. Claude totally said don't do that. All right, trading buddy. You know, be sick. They could like analyze your chart in real time as you're trading, and then he just like gives you vocal cues. That would be freaking amazing. Oh, oops. There you go. That would be freaking amazing if you could get social cues while like voice cues, where he's like, "Oh, market's turning." Get like it's like almost like an announcer. That'd be sick. As you're trading. I don't think AI is there yet. I mean, I'm sure it is. I'm just saying the cost of it would be retarded to like constantly be analyzing your live stream. RSI was way over top. We had money flow going out. That was really the only reason I even chose to do that. We'll see how sharply we fall. If we don't fall fast, I'm going to get a little worried. Just because then it probably means we have a little bit more strength to the upside here. Let's see, is this one? We'll make that a little quieter since it's so freaking loud. All right. So we chewed through some longs, captured a lot of them, but it doesn't mean we're going back down. It just means that there were some longs that were opened up. They might want to capture the upside here. You can see here, if I switch it, you can see here the bands. I think these are largely, this looks extremely manipulated. So Bitcoin still has not captured its upside, so not sure, not 100% sure on this. A little worried that, okay, 5 minutes says we're not out of the woods. We're actually the opposite. What do we do? What do we do? Do we wait for the moving average bounce, or we're gonna take profit? And of course, right when we take profit, by the way, it's just gonna immediately destroy us. Let's see. 5 minutes says we have money inflow, not outflow. So on the slightly higher time frame, we have to do one degen play. One degen play. Are we going to have another bounce? That's my question. Might have. So we have inflow on the 5. What about the 15? Inflow on the 15. So realistically, this might actually bounce. Did the charts just do what I think they just did again? Let's see. They did. Awesome. So, looks like the thesis played out. Should have held, took it to be conservative. But if you look at the 5 minute and the 15, looks like money flow is coming back in on the 15, back in on the 5, just not on the 1 minute. But at the 1 minute, it's just for entry. Looking for a long setup. I think we just go in. Right in the middle of the range. Right in the middle of the range. Let's go. Do we continue that trend? Or do we continue the downtrend? My guess is, since we're so close here to the higher end for the market makers, we continue upwards. But the 1 minute is not proving that out, but that changes so rapidly in the 1 minute. If you look at, like, here, looks like it's going out. Here, looks like it's going out. Boop, drops a little and comes right back up. So 1 minute can be fickle. Go to the 5 and 15 to verify. Because then now we've flipped over to the 5 minute. Is a 5 minute going to do us wrong? Yes. Is a 5 minute going to do us wrong? Yes, it is. All right. We'll see. Oopsie poopsie. All right. We don't want to lose our shirt. We want to keep a nice, clean shirt. Oof. What's everything else doing? Let's see. Come on. Or what's Biddy doing? Biddy is struggling. 74. Never thought I'd say that. Back at 74. Crude is staying pretty stable where it's at. The markets aren't hyper volatile, so a little bit of a boring trading day today, actually. Seems to be relatively stable today. Can't believe we revisited 82 on Sol too. Wow. If we get back into the 70s, that'd be a wild buying opportunity. Wild buying opportunity at or in the 70s. Even though some bears say that we're going way lower, I'm not sure. Not sure it really makes a ton of sense, to be honest. Seems like a lot of the bear thesis is kind of not so much playing out because we are going to have to print. I think that there is no question on that. We're going to have to print. There's going to have to be a large print. How about this one? Gonna have to be a large print. We are in a 50x long. Charts froze again. Like you do. Gonna have to bring that up. All right. Let's see if I was right. Just had a little dip. A little dipper. Little dipperoonie. Trying to break the moving average to the upside. Looks like money flow is coming in. 5 minutes still says money flow in. 15 still says that we're losing momentum to the downside, which means upside. So it's flipping. We'll see. We'll hold it. We're here. We're in it. 50x long. We blew up the trading account yesterday. So we are starting from scratch again. We're using our trusty dusty Claude Trading Buddy. If you want the instruction file for it right here, let me know. It's a large instruction file for Claude. And it just helps us get a gauge. It's the only problem is that I actually did the instruction is a little tight. So it actually kind of plays against the fact that it's a good backdrop though for me because it gives you the more conservative bet on what markets are doing. It knows that you're going to feed it screenshots and things like that. So the instruction file is good. It's just, it'll naturally, because of the instructions, always play to the conservative side. So only downside to that, but it does actually give some pretty good advice. So if you use Grok for your news, if you're following the Leviathan charts here on YouTube, and obviously using Flash Trade V2 beta, you get a good handle on exactly what to do. If you're playing a more conservative game, this would probably help out a lot more. I'm just on a live and I have to at least keep it somewhat entertaining. So sometimes do some dumb things. Like yesterday, we absolutely blew up the account doing a 500x long. Like right in the middle of all the volatility when it was swinging like nuts. So fortunately, we absolutely blew that account up. So we added $10 more to the account. 10 more doll hairs. So yeah, we're down. We're down, but we're not out, boys. We're down, but we're not out. P&L is just saying -10 on the day, by the way, because I'm in a position. So Oh my gosh, this is such a tight trading range for this small amount of time. What the heck? Well, if you're doing the whole channel thing, we definitely broke the channel. And let's see, let's get back to 5 minute, 15 minute. Still, I say we go to the upside. RSI is just cooling off. Hype is imploding. What the hell? Hype just broke 60 to the downside. So looks as if that is a little crazy. Yeah, hype's being kind of hurt here in the 60s. It says on the Leviathan charts to take out a long in that 87 to 80 or 87, 57 to 58 range, but high 57. So like just below 58. Interesting. It's almost there. So might be a good setup for a long. Not financial advice. Always do your own research. Use tools at your own risk. This is for educational purposes only. Don't get me caught up in that. Driving me nuts. Oh no, it is accurate. Oh, okay. Okay. So hopefully our thesis was correct. We get a double win back to back. Hype recovering a little. That's good. Bitcoin recovering a little. That's good. Dang, Micron, man. Holy hell. Micron's up 6% today. That is wild. Absolutely insane. I was saying Micron was a great play. Boy, was I right. I was more right than I thought. And I'm retarded. I'm one of those stupid people. Hey, broken clocks right twice a day. If you can. Hey, what the hell? There you go. If you can, if you don't mind, if it would be of no harm to you, leave a comment, leave a like, repost this stream. Actually, you know what? Don't repost the stream. What you should do is repost one of our recent posts with a comment and a like. Don't worry about the stream. The stream's just for shits and giggles. We're just shits and giggling it over here. Like you do. Me being down here doesn't cover anything, does it? I guess it does. Okay, that's too small. And I feel like I'm like, it's not big enough here. Maybe I can do a custom one. No. I don't know. Not really. Can I make myself even smaller? Visual effect? What the hell? You can do a visual effect? Oh, a bunch of settings here. Well, that did not play out good. Let's see. Well, Be a great entry now. I'd much prefer if I was there. Just make me feel better. Take. What are we looking at? Hype. I might start trading hype full time. Sheesh, these bands. I think market makers just said there was a massive 100x long or something down there, and they just said nope. If you're looking at the Leviathan charts on YouTube, you'll see that it just destroyed some longs that just opened up. Bastards. Like you do. Bitcoin has a lot of reds opening up above it. If you see here, right here on Bitcoin, you'll see it's a 30-second chart. So obviously it's going to be a lot more volatile or whatever when you're looking at it. But if you're curious what it is, you can go to TradingView and actually put in the Leviathan charts. You're going to have to mess with the settings a little, though, to get this exact look. So that's the only thing, is that he has some custom settings in here. Nothing. I don't think he added anything to it or anything crazy. It's just he went into the actual settings themselves to like dial it in to get it to look like this. So it's still chewing to the downside, but we have like all these shorts opening up, which does not bode well for our position, to be honest. We do have the reverse button. It does look really juicy right now. The reverse buttons, it's looking good. This reverse button right here, looking real good right now. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie poopsie. Choked on my coffee. Where's hype at? Hype's back below 60 again. Yep. Could be in trouble here. Yep. Like you do. Like you do. We're going to have to see if we can get out of this trade now. We got 15 minutes to go on Degen hour. What did oil do? Oil's pumping. Of course, like you do. I should just shorted. That's why I've said quite a few times now, my bias was short. I was wanting a long for you guys. I was wanting to get in some longs. All right, we'll see if we have a decent bounce here. Probably a little lackluster would be my guess. Just from the overall market, everything is turning way down across the board. The things that we don't want to see go up in situations like this are going up. So we've got oil going up, natty gas going up. What do we got? Metals? Are metal going up? A little. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Markets are down. Sheesh. Across the board, actually. All right. I think the only thing was it equities again. We're just going to long all equities. I really want to long Amazon really bad. I think Amazon is deep play. Oh god, it already exploded. Okay. I think Amazon is deep play. I definitely think Amazon is going to be a massive winner in AI because of AWS is really so you've got a lot of things on V2 that are really playing out actually really well. We have SanDisk, Micron, Nvidia, Intel, of course, the SPY. Apple is irrelevant. They are not an AI play. Tesla, huge AI play. Amazon, Texas Instrument, Taiwan Semiconductor, Qualcomm, Iron. So there's some really good equities on here. One of the ones that actually I wanted to see put on here. Marvel. I really wanted Marvel to be on here. I think Marvel being on here would be good. Real. Gentlemen. Looks like I am one of those stupid people. 5 minutes not looking good for me. 1 minute's not looking good for me. But as soon as I giga short, it's going to rip. Do we accept the loss? We're at 30%. Yeah, we should accept the loss. We accept the loss. We go into because in order to degenerately keep the Degen name moniker alive, we go into a 500x long, like you do, just to see if we could blow up this account. Or we go to Valhalla. Make it all back in one trade, boys. Make it all back in one trade. Make it all back. Let's go. All right. Nope. Go up. Other direction. Yeah, that way. Market makers. Make it all back in one trade. Let's see. Can we put a stop loss? I don't know if we can. I think it's a minimum of okay. So we can. I think it's a minimum of like I don't know. $5 maybe. That's not on V1. That's on V2. It's a minimum 5. So all right, we made it all back in one trade. Do we cut here? Do we cut and run? Guys, call it out in the comments. Do we cut and run? No. Don't you dare backtrace on me, you son of a snitch. All right, what are we at? We're almost at 100%. All right. Don't you nuke. I swear. Making it all back, boys. Making it all back. Let's go. 117, 118. What the hell? All right, go. No, don't you do it. Do a little explodey upwards. Go up. Go up. All right, we want to capture these gains. So if it actually does retrace for real, we're going to go ahead and just take that W. All right. Woo! We are rocking and rolling now. 144, 150, 106. Oh! USOB. Go, 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 go. Do we screw ourselves and drop the stop loss? Absolutely. Are you silly? Let's see. Commodities. Okay, dropping. I'm going to use this as my bearing. 122% up. Rolling the dice here. Where's our stop loss at? So we got $5. So $5, we made it all back. Boy, did that happen fast. Made it all back. We're up a little. A little. Well, I was going to get in. Meh. Let's see. Need to use our indicator. Oil. Nope, we're going down. I was just about to be like, woof. Oil just shot up. Actually, should have Giga reversed that. That would have been freaking awesome. Now we got to wait. All right. So we're up. We only had one losing trade, and it was because I forced it like an idiot. So we'll see. Do we force another long? Yeah. Of course. Are you retarded? We definitely force another long. 100%. Get ourselves into another terrible situation. Yes. That is the name of the game. See what oil does. I'm trying to use oil as an indicator. Hi, Lovey.
He said, "Are you okay?" Didn't say no. But I didn't. But then I saw Carly. Yeah, I paid this party.
Okay. Well, thank you for telling me. Love you. Glad you're okay. I know that kind of scary, huh? All right. Sorry about that. Let's see. Kids on spring break. Take. I gotta change this just a little. Let's see. Okay. Thank you. Love you. That's going to happen a lot during the summer. FYI. Like you do. Oh. Did not take an entry. Mainly because we were talking our little one, but also because the little uncertain. 500x is no joke. Try to do my best to take it. Only when I'm pretty confident. But right now I was not confident in that pump. I'll show you why. Crude oil is going up. When crude oil goes up right here, we say, oh no, everything else is going to go down. So it's actually a great counter trade. It's not 100% though. Yesterday, if you were on the Memorial Day. Yeah, Memorial Day, if you were on the live, you would have actually seen basically crude oil was actually pumping at the same time Sol was pumping. So it's not 100%, but it is a good indicator as in like directionality. So like right now, I'm not trusting this pump entirely because crude oil is actually staying super strong above 90. If we breach 90, then I would trust it more. I know that sounds retarded, but it does actually, it seems to have been playing out more than not. Bitcoin is recovering. So Bitcoin just had a large swing. That's good. Like you do. But I don't know. It kind of says to me that this might be kind of a bull trap. Because if oil keeps pumping, the rest of the market's going to bleed. It does look like equities have pulled back a little. Bitcoin isn't exactly hyper scaling out of this. So another reason why I'm not trusting entirely the pump. That's just me. Damn it. I missed my short entry. Gosh darn it. That's what I wanted to do, was like right here. I'm left talking. See, this is what happens. Talk less. Damn, the entry was there too. All right, if we do actually retrace a little here back upwards, it's a little uncertain. Obviously, lower high, higher low, but my bias is short. So my guess is that this is actually going to go short, or shorter, I should say. And oil is doing exactly what we were saying it was doing. It is going higher. So if we do get the opportunity, I am going to do a ridiculously long or huge short. Let's see. No. I'm probably going to get slammed. If Ted was in here, he'd be calling me an idiot. Where'd hype go? Hype's back above 60. Shit. Nice. We're just going to do it for the last few minutes here. We're going to get into this short. I don't know if it's going to gig ascend down or anything, but oil is trending up, which does kind of indicate to me Matter of fact, let's just look at oil real quick. Yeah. We are trending up. Up. We'll see. We'll see if we get absolutely wrecked. 100% likely if you follow anything that I do, I immediately get hammered. All right. It's got to break down. Am I wrong? Am I wrong to think that? We're at $2. Can we do a stop loss? It's so tight, though. It's going to hit if we even bounce just a little, or we're immediately going to get hit on that stop loss. So what are we gaining on the stop loss? So we actually gain $1.60. We are on 500X, so it is a little dangerous. The danger level's through the roof. What is oil doing? Let's go. Like you do. Like you do. We have a massive retrace up real quick. I'm going to get hit on the stop loss. Oh, I'm at $4.99 though. Which is good. We like that. We like that. Like you do. Like you do. What? Don't do it. No. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. Bastard. Heathen. All right. So on V2, it's so nice to trade on the charts, by the way. It's awesome. So we are back where we were. Are we at 500X? We are not. Yeesh. Okay. We're staggering up here on the extremely short time frame. But let's see how high we go. Oh, wait. Okay. I'm actually going to short it. Screw it. We're immediately going to get out if we just screwed up. Rapid trading. Rapid trading. Rapid trading. Go. Go down. Don't screw me. This do be crazy. This is... You're playing against all the odds here. Oil, though, is spiking. So I'm like trying to gauge whether oil spiking means soul dumping, but it has turned against us. Our little prediction. Don't do it. As soon as it moves, we got to be out instantly. And thankfully on V2, we can actually do that. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I have to get out because it'll just eat you alive. There's nothing I can do. Yep, had to get out. Was the good call to immediately get out of that. We are having money flow in. Oil's dropped a little, not entirely. So it was a little misleading. Like I say, the indicator's not perfect and everything is kind of middle of the range right now. So 500X, middle of the range. No one ever called me smart. Yeah, love. All right. Oh God. What are we doing with hype? Hype. As you can see here, it does look like actually Solana didn't take. This is what I'm saying. This looks super manipulated. Because I think they're starting to understand that a lot of people are looking at this. But look at the like perfect, like what is going on here? Look at this little cluster. Yellow has the massive cluster, little cluster below. Then on the short side or on the long side, bottom cluster, little tiny cluster, blue cluster. So this looks like hyper, dude. This is to me, this looks like Bitcoin and Sol are being hyper manipulated. Like that is too algorithmic for it to even be a possibility. When you see patterns like that, don't think, aha, I have something. I am super smart. I know what's going to happen next. Think someone is manipulating guys up. Because that does not make sense. That is way too, for a free and open market, that is way too, what I would say looks like it's manipulated. Sorry, we totally just got into a short there. I was trying to focus up, and play these little short bounces with the 500x. I'm gonna try to reverse it, but I do get nervous because I'm like, I just don't know the band there. And then, of course, when I'm like, I'm going to be smart and reverse this, I'm going to get slapped hard. Oh, God. So, I mean, overall, not a terrible trading day. If you're looking at $10 and you're at $3, you're 30%. So looking at it in the positive light, choosing to look at it in the positive light. Fees at 500x are obviously eating into that, but it is 500x. You are taking a large part of the pool. As you can see, obviously collateral's 10, but your size is thousands. So, yeah. We definitely want to be cognizant of fees. Be sure to watch your tail on those fees. You can see here too, like I said, on the crude oil, it's not a perfect indicator. It's just directionality for me. Sometimes I'll try to use that. Sol seems to trade when it goes down, Sol goes up. When it goes up, Sol goes down, but it's not all the time. Right now, we're diverging from that. So to me, today, we are not taking that too seriously. It is an extremely small part of what we were doing. It also looks like the markets right now are being heavily manipulated. I mean, if you're looking at the liquidation levels, typically what I would call them is the volume nodes. Like where volume is coming in. If you do follow that, it's actually one of my favorite on TradingView. Volume nodes, those can be spoofed also though, but it works well using your brain with it. Just another indicator. So if you're interested, volume nodes, Leviathan charts, MACD, RSI, those are all ones that I follow. If you are interested in the, or apologize, not if you're interested in, if you are good at the Fibonacci, the fib here, let me know. I am not great with it. I don't really know how to, per se, use it well. So would love to have somebody on, maybe in the community, like you do, that would teach me and in turn teach others how to use the fib. Now I know on the short time frame, obviously, fib is not exactly like the best, but on the longer time frame, that would be amazing to learn. At least I would like. This is a rising wedge. But we did have a rising wedge here. Oh no, that's sideways. Rising wedge down. Bum, bum, bum. Are we gonna see a breakout or are we gonna see? I just don't. I see a short coming in here. It's a clear pattern of a rising wedge, but we could break out from the wedge and then it kind of invalidates that. But almost all rising wedges, rising wedge, all rising wedge down. So then you've got a massive rising wedge here, right here. Do we break down? Do we take the 500x bet that we are going down? Yeah, we're in. All right, last bet of the day, where we just absolutely blow up the account like before. I've got about 5 minutes left here. We'll see if we can liquidate ourselves. Bum, bum, bum. We'll see if we can liquidate ourselves here. Make it a little interesting. Make it a little fun. Come on, why not? Let's liquidate ourselves. Let's just shoot to Valhalla. That's what happened the other day. It was literally a shot to Valhalla and just absolutely liquidated the crap out of myself. Re-enter. No! Exit. No! 500x short. Yeah, we're kind of invalidating this. RSI is pushing to the upside. What do we got left? 550. By the way, guys, this is just for fun. Just for funsies. Please don't follow me. Bum, bum, bum. We're trying to top blast. Top blast. Top blast? Is that what they call it? I think so. See what we're doing. Oh, crude. Yee. Go. Down. This just looks like I don't know. Am I crazy or does this look like a good setup? I mean, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so you tell me. I'll tell you what, at this pace, you're absolutely going to never get to 1,000. At this pace, we are going to... We're going to lose 1,000. Excuse me. We're going to lose 1,000 before we make it to 1,000. To it. Uh-oh. This looks like the screen might have...
When I went to school yesterday, Mommy
Yep. All right. We've had a good one for the day. We're going to leave off on a 500X. We're just going to let it ride. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. Where are we? We're going to catch it here eventually. Okay. I'm telling you. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. We're going to catch it eventually. We're going to make it all back in one trade. Shoo. Yeah. We're making it all back, boys. One trade, all back. Don't do it. You come down here. You heathen. Let's go. There's got to be a giga short in here somewhere, right? So we're just gonna keep. We gotta make it all back. We have to make it all back. No. Top blasting our way into Valhalla. Let's go.
I wanted cereal, but this I used it all the cereal. I used it all the cereal last time.
Oh. Well, that's no good. About to get liquidated.
I have
Be crazy if we just missed the liquidation. Let's see. Holy cow. Well, clearly we're going up. Well, thank you for watching today as you watched it get live liquidated into the LP gods. Oh, thank you for watching another Degen hour with Mighty Max. I appreciate it. We start with $10 or see where we can go. Some days we do well, some days we don't. We're trying to get to 1,000. I don't know if that'll ever work. On a longer term time horizon, it would work a lot better. But with a short term trading like so, it is pretty hard. It's pretty challenging. It's going to be even more challenging as time goes on. But thank you for attending another Degen hour as we demonstrate the power of V2 beta, how you can get in and out of trades very, very quickly. You can use trading on the charts like never before. You can set up 5 stop loss, 5 take profits, 5 limit orders, all on chain and all extremely easy. No confirmation screens, no transaction costs. And the best part is we have tons of markets as we are adding more and more every single day. So if you'd like to see your favorite on here, please let me know. We can't really get pre-stocks. I know a lot of people want that pre-stock. Markets. The biggest thing is we need like a good oracle for that. And I think right now it's a little bit difficult. And of course, that big giga short that I'm just talking about is playing out right now. Anywho, um, awesome. Like you do. But thank you for attending Degen Hour. We will be live tomorrow to trade the volatility in the markets once again. So if you'd like to attend, it's 9:30 Eastern time or Eastern Standard Time, I believe. Whatever time that is for you, I'm not smart enough to calculate that in my head. But yes, UTC time, not sure. But you have AI. AI can tell you a lot better than I can. But if you'd like access to V2 beta, please reach out to us in Discord, X. I appreciate you watching again, especially all the way to the end. If you can, pick out one of our posts on X and show it some love. Do the social media stuff. Really would appreciate that. Keep in mind, we do have our VP program on V1. If you are not at least registered for the VP program, voltage points, then what are you doing? If you're active on Flash Trade, you might as well get an allocation from the epoch. So register your wallet. All activity on Flash Trade is tracked so that way at the end of the epoch, you get your fair share of that FAF being shipped out. The other great part is that if you then turn around and stake that FAF, you do get to participate in our rev share, which has been quite lucrative for our FAF stakers, which is why we have 70% of the FAF supply locked up in staking and earning that rev share. So, again, really appreciate you tuning in. If you need me, you know where to find me. And like always, traders, I'll see you in the markets.